too. What?
It doesn't matter.
Where is it?
The Mustang was no good.
Okay.
So.
I don't care. Where is it?
I don't know.
Should we?
I guess we have to go find it.
We have to go find it, I guess.
Is it that blue one?
Wait, what are you talking about?
Blue one.
I saw that blue one. I actually noticed it.
Why did you notice it?
What are you talking about?
Wait.
Why did you notice it?
Why would you notice a car?
Is that mine?
I don't know. Push and hold the arrow.
I
button.
can't,
Push and hold the arrow.
I don't think you can do it from here. I don't know if it can happen from here.
Wait.
Oh, that must not be it. I don't know. Let's walk down there and see.
I don't
I did
know.
not need the Mustang. Forget it.
Let's go see.
Is it manual or automatic?
I don't know.
We're about to, I guess we got to find the car first.
You know what? I noticed that when I thought that's a cute car.
Really?
Oh, well,
Well, that's too bad. That's not the one.
Well, this one's even way out of shot from the Mustang because I thought BMWs were crazy expensive. Oh my gosh.
let's find out. I don't know.
Don't let Warner see.
Maybe this one. This is our old car here, 2010 Toyota Matrix. Let's find out. You want to just walk around the block? You can just walk around the block, maybe.
No, then I saw like gifts. I thought it was about that gift on my counter.
I guess we'll have to see if that's what it is. Hold the arrow down. See if anything happens.
You have to keep holding it.
Because where you thought it was mine.
You have to keep holding it if it's correct.
I don't see any lights on. Hold the arrow. Hold the arrow.
Maybe you have to be close to it on purpose.
Here, let go of the arrow. All right, hold the arrow down again.
Keep holding it.
See if anything
You have to
happens.
keep holding it.
That's probably not it.
Maybe not. I'm freaking out over a car that's not even
Here,
the
get
right
closer
one.
and see if the arrow works. If not, then that's
Do you
not
think it
your
has
car.
to be turned on?
No.
Here, get real
Keep
close.
holding it.
Undo the, like, oh, there we go.
Keep holding it.
Keep
Yeah.
holding it. Don't let go. Don't let go.
Look where it goes, too. Look how it tucks it underneath there.
I don't care. Wait, it's not done.
Look how it keeps tucking it underneath.
I think I can let go. Okay. Keep holding it.
What?
Yes, it's automatic. Okay.
Huh?
Oh. I wasn't expecting this at all when I came home. I was thinking, oh, I'm hungry. Did you see it? It's convertible. Oh my god.
It has heated seats,
Are you serious?
a CD
Wait,
player,
guys.
has a CD player.
Did you know? Yeah. Isn't it cute?
I meant to text you. She's here to act natural. I accidentally text her.
She's like, this is what it's about. Thinking it was that gift.
I text her instead of you.
Oh,
It has
I'll miss Warner for 2 minutes.
2 minutes.
Let's compare and contrast.
Do you like
Show her
this?
that's the book, and it has
Okay.
its original window sticker. Show her where it came from.
Of everything that's
It has everything that came with it when it was brand new.
Oh my god.
Look at the original window sticker when it was brand new.
What to say?
cost brand new.
When it was new.
How much was it?
Not that much.
I don't know.
Not that much.
Okay, everything that's on it.
Oh my god. Okay, it's on. I was worried. At least it's on now.
Oh, you like that it's convertible?
Yes, I know. I wanted a convertible.
And you can open close with this holding down the arrow. Like if you're away from the car,
Okay.
without turning it on, you can close it. You hold it down and it opens
And
or
trump.
closes it.
And to unlock it.
The BMW button.
And to lock it.
Uh-huh.
Oh my gosh. My
It's-
cheeks hurt.
It's a 3-liter, 6-cylinder engine, so it has 230 horsepower.
You know, I came in the car. I thought, oh, that's a cute car. And I came inside.
Really? You saw it?
I just saw it. And I actually noticed it was cute.
That's funny.
I didn't know
Show her the color name.
Oh, here.
The name of the color
is deep sea blue metallic.
and the interior Has a name also, right below it.
Oyster bar.
It's very posh.
Oh my god.
We thought E2 would come back for this. You know, it's like so yacht rock.
Oh my god. E2 didn't smile. Oh yeah, I forgot. What was E2?
It was like
Yeah,
it's
smile.
like very posh and very yuppie, very yacht rock.
I can't believe this is mine. I never thought I'd ever drive a BMW in my life.
It's a great
Okay, maybe a great one.
great car. It's very fun. It's very peppy.
Yeah.
It's too hot to drive. I
Oh
guess
no.
at this hour.
It's a little hot.
Oh, you just we just put it out here so it
I
wouldn't.
mean, it's a little warm, but
But we
Oh
can
my
move
gosh.
it back to the. Let's move it back to the shade. Who wants to move it?
that locks. Yeah, the BMW button locks and unlocks.
Okay.
Now it's locked still.
Someone could sit in the passenger seat. Do you have it? Ooh.
Oh my
I called it.
wow. So the unlock button is here to unlock all the other doors right here.
This one?
Yeah.
While you're in the car, yeah.
Because this one doesn't unlock when you get in there, so you'll have to hit this button to let Emma in.
Okay. I guess I'll put that there.
You got room. You can go straight.
Turn it on.
Oh.
It's push button. And you got a handbrake. Handbrake on your right hand there, so you can push that down. Yeah.
Up a little bit and then down.
I probably pulled it up too much.
That's hard to do.
I'm used to doing that. I probably pulled it up too high.
Oh, here. Oh yeah. So hold it.
You have to hold the button, yeah.
I love it.
Keep holding it until it completely stops everything. It's very intricate how it works.
Oh my gosh.
That's it. Yep.
Oh wow. Okay.
And then your window buttons are all there, all the window buttons.
Oh yeah. No.
Neither of them can
Pull it up. You got room, yeah.
And your windows, like, and that little triangle to the back.
Oh, that's everything. That does everything.
You got it. You got it. You got plenty of room. Go. She's gonna die. She's gonna die. Oh my god.
She noticed the car.
Well, she noticed it from
She
the.
noticed it. She just happened to notice that car. She thought it was cute.
About that.